Hi folks, I'm Lonnie Johnson. Welcome back to my channel. I'm working on my 2005 Chevy Tahoe. I got the gas tank dropped because I want to go ahead and put one of these on there. As you can see, I got this put all the way on there and I used hot water. And it took me a while to learn how to do that because I really didn't have any luck at having it happen. So I got a video and I'm going to show you what I did to get this to work, because I have never been able to get this to work before like this. So stick around and check it out. As you see, I'm getting ready to boil some water, and I want to show you that I've tried this multiple times and I finally figured out how to heat this up with water, boiling water, and attach this to it. First thing I'm going to do is let the water come to a boil, and I've got this tube right here, or you could just use a rod. I was thinking if I had a rod or a tube that could fit down inside that hole right there, I might be able to have a better chance of getting it to work. So I found this tube that fits perfectly inside there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up the hose. I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to slide it on here, and I'll show you what I mean as quick as the water heats up. Now the water's boiling. I've already put this plastic tube on this right here. I'm going to just stick them both down in the water and let it boil for 3 minutes. It's been in there for 3 minutes. I'm going to take this, stick it inside there. Hope you can see this. If I can get in there a little farther. Okay, I want it on there a little bit further, so I'll put some more water in here. I'm going to let it come to a boil. I'm going to stick it down in there because I want this hose up on here, and this will just be another experiment. I'll see if I can get it pushed up on there. It's far enough right now, but I'd be more comfortable if it was all the way on there. So let's let it get to a boil and let's see what we can do. Okay, let's see what we can do here. There it went. Now it's on there pretty good. I guess it had to be in there for a good 4 to 5 minutes. So 3 minutes just wasn't long enough, so try 4 to 5 minutes and it should go on just like that. I hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.